Hey everyone. So I'm going to try something a little bit different on this one. I already have my white laid on a 14 by 14, or is that a 12? 14 by 14. Oh my goodness, they're all starting to look to be the same size. So I'm going to start with white. And then I'm going to start layering some metallics with black. I think I'll start with bronze. This is Craft Smart Bronze. And then black. Copper. I'm going to go ahead and use all that copper up. A little bit more black, just to separate the metallics. Gold. A little bit of white. A little bit of bronze. And a little bit of black. And I don't think there's much. Now let's use up that copper. Okay. So I'm going to, it's pretty, it's layered. I'm going to start in a corner, and I'm going to lift my canvas at an angle. I want to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing because I have the camera closer today. Okay, so I'm going to be right here. You'll see the color coming down. I think that's all I'm going to need because that's quite a bit. Okay. So I have to stretch this out. It doesn't matter if I go over the sides here, but I do want it to go over here, and it's already going over there. But I want to bring it back just so I can get this other end. Okay, then I'm going to try to stretch out these sides just a little bit. Let's see if we can get it back. Okay, so what do I want to do with it now? I might bring some more of this back this way, since I have a lot of white there. Because I really want the rings of metallics. And I'm really kind of liking it just like that. And I'll probably blow out the edges a little bit with my airbrush. I would have liked to get it off that end there, but I think I'll lose too much of the copper pushing it down there. So let me wipe my hand off here. I'm going to give it a torch and see what happens. Everything left in my cup is white, so I wanted to make sure that I got that white out at the end. Get these air bubbles popped. I shouldn't get too much because it's on top of white anyway. Okay. So I'm going to ever so gently push out these sides. Just a teeny tiny bit. They're already starting to feather out a little bit, but I just want to give them a little boost. And I'm pretty far away, so okay. Let me turn it around. I could have gotten away with a black background on this one. I think that's all I'm going to do. I always say that and then I end up doing more. Let me give it one more torch. Okay, let me give you a close-up. A closer up. They just look like little ribbons. So it's kind of a ring pour cascade. Let's say a waterfall ring pour. How's that sound? And that's what I'll title this video. So that's it for that one, guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click below and click on the bell next to the subscribe button, and you will be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Also, I have an Etsy shop where you can purchase my paintings and my jewelry. Shop with me on Amazon for all your painting supplies. And I also have a PayPal link there if you'd like to sponsor my channel. We do quarterly giveaways, so you might want to go ahead and think about that. Prizes are going to be phenomenal, nothing like our subscriber prizes. So if you support the channel, we are going to take care of you too, just like you take care of us. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye now.